Welcome back to the garage, guys. Thanks for tuning in. We're going to work on this big block Miata some more today. Today, I'm going to try to spend some time focusing on the steering. Now, I don't know if you guys could tell in that last video, but I was a bit nervous on that last test drive. When I did get it up to a little bit higher speeds, man, this thing is terrifying. It's all over the road. I think a big part of my issue is actually bump steer. So when I lowered the rack down to make room for that oil pan on this big block, I didn't do anything at the knuckles to lower the tie rods down. So I've got a bit of a V shape when you look at this thing on the ground. So I personally haven't done a lot of work with modified suspension and chassis, so bump steer is kind of an unfamiliar thing to me. So what I did is I got online and I found this set here of bump steer tie rod ends. This gives me the ability to lower down the tie rod to that same level where I've got that rack now. So this is a budget set. It's from eBay. It's from a company called DNA Motoring. It's pretty basic stuff. These are aluminum, which kind of concern me. I'd rather have some steel sleeves there. But it's just a set of Heim joints and some bolts with some spacers. Essentially, it gives me the option of adjusting this up or down to control that angle of those tie rods. So one minor drawback to this budget kit is it does have a 5/16 bolt, which does not fit through your knuckle. So when you're ordering the kit, make sure you grab yourself a 5/8 drill bit if you don't already have one. This could be interesting. Looks like this may be more difficult than I thought. So I've got the bump steer kit installed. It looks pretty good. The angles on the tie rods definitely look better than they did. It looks like it's going to steer and handle better, but there's really only one way to know for sure. Let's take it for a test drive. Pretty good test drive. Maybe the best I've had yet. So I'm definitely satisfied with the improvement from that bump steer kit. It took away all the death wander that thing had. That thing drives nice and straight now with my guesstimate alignment. So that thing's not really something I can take and put on an alignment machine. So I just guess the best I can. So I'm satisfied with that. I'm gonna end this video off right there, guys, because I'm gonna spend some time learning how to fly this thing. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.